Hey, this is Gayle with BERNINA of Naperville, and I have some crucial, earth-shattering news. So go grab your daughter, grab your husband, grab your wife, grab whoever you need to, and get them into the room right now. Put down the phone, put down the remote control. You have to see this. That's right. I'm getting ready to unbox the new Kaffe Fassett 770 Special Edition. And I'm so excited. We already have our little mint machine up there on the shelf, that 475 Quilters Edition. Oh my God, I love these so much. And you know, last year when we had the crystals, I kept those, but now I'm wondering if I need to build a bigger sewing room. But anyway, let's have a look at what's in here. So we're gonna start with the box. So the box, if you look at this, is actually totally branded with all of that Kaffe stuff. All right, so cool box, huh? Let's go in. So first we're gonna start off with styrofoam. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's our slide-on table, which is this guy here. Can't leave home without that one, right? Then we have a little sample spools of thread. Takes a minute to maneuver this big box. We have our freehand system here. And then there is an armoire that holds your feet, which is this guy here. Now in here, in addition to the feet, there's like a tool kit and things like that. You've seen these on the other models that I've showed you. But if we open this up, you'll see here, these are where the foam pads and the spool caps and the height compensation tool, the little mini screwdriver, seam ripper, you know, for just display purposes only, right? And some extra needles. And then we have the buzzer. The buzzer, you know, the Bernina stitch regulator, the BSR. That's right, you knew what I was talking about, right? And so we have that here, and for your free motion quilting or thread painting or things like that. And then we have a box of our feet. Now with this machine, you're gonna get your 5 bobbins. You get a standard sewing foot, number 1C, but you also get a 1D. You get a zipper foot, which is also suitable for dual feed. You get a 97D in the package there. Oil, a stylus, the straight stitch needle plate, and a dust brush. Power cord is in here for electricity. And then in here we have the manual and the accessories catalog. And then, just so, you have laminated cheat sheets for the different symbols and what they mean on the machine. Warranty, don't forget to register your Berninas on their My Bernina portal. That's bernina.com, and you go to the registration page, because there you will, once you register, you will get a $5 coupon that we are happy to redeem towards any presser foot of your choice. And then look at this manual. It's even purple to match the faceplate of the machine. I think that's so cute. I love it. All right, we haven't even gotten to the machine yet, and I'm exhausted. Oh, look at the dust cover. We're gonna open this up. It's also gonna match the machine. I know, no, it is not sold separately. You cannot fool Kaffe Fassett, everyone. This only comes with this machine. Hang on, it's happening. The little cardboard protector inside the machine, don't need that anymore. Okay, here it comes. More protective coating. All right, it's really happening now. I'm gonna take it out of the box. Look at this, it's fabric. That's worth the price of admission right there, don't you think? This is what you're gonna use to make your hat box quilt. Hey, did I mention that if you pre-order with us and purchase a Bernina 770 Kaffe edition, or even the 475 that you get a retreat to make the hat box quilt. The 475, you're gonna get enough fabric to make one block, but if you have the 770, you're gonna use this fabric right here to make your own. And oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much fun with that. Also, if you get the embroidery version of this machine, you will also get a special little retreat to embroider the cat cross stitch, or the other cross stitch. We're gonna make the cat. But anyway, enough about that. You wanna see the machine and I'll shut up. Okay, let's do it. All right, I'm really taking it out of the box this time, I promise. All right, it's heavy. Oh, look at this. Look at this beautiful faceplate. Let me hold it up to the camera. Oh my God, I love it. And no, this isn't light as a feather. I'm just super strong. Okay, it's on. We're gonna test out the special stitches that you can only find on the BERNINA 475 and the 770 plus Kaffe edition. Let's give them a try. Now, I'm using isocord variegated thread. It stitches up beautifully and it's colorful, and I know, I'm afraid to touch it because it's so pretty. Okay, so the Kaffe stitches start in the 7101 section, but I want to show you they're represented by his logo there, so you just touch that, and we're just going to go one at a time here because, well, you know, that's what I do. So let's have a look. All right, they're unboxed and ready to go. So, hey, come on over, have a look at these guys. They are so pretty. I might have mentioned that like 900 times in this video, but we also have specials on these machines. So if you pre-order a BERNINA 475 Kaffe edition, you're gonna get a $600 VIP card from BERNINA of Naperville. What does that mean? Well, that's a $600 gift certificate that you can use for anything in the store. And that also means that you are in our VIP club, which means you get a 25% off shopping spree for a year. You use it once a month and you can pick the date. We're not going to give you a certain date. You can just come in, stock up on all your stuff, and you get that for a year from your purchase point. Also, you also get a class, like I mentioned, to make the hat box block, and that's like a little quilt. If you decide that you want to go for the BERNINA 770 Plus without the module, well, you're still going to get that $600 VIP card with all the perks, plus you're going to get the luggage for the machine and all of those good things that the machine comes with. But you're also going to get a retreat to make the hat box quilt because you're using that fabric pack that came with the machine, like I mentioned before. Then finally, if you want the whole kit and caboodle, the 770 Plus with embroidery, well, you get that embroidery gift box that comes with those 5 Kaffe exclusive designs, the amazing designs that are preloaded on the machine that you can't get anywhere else, thread, some stabilizers of different kinds, expert tape, the big book of embroidery. It's just endless, and a gift certificate from Embroidery Online, just all kinds of stuff, all kinds of goodies you can see right there. Then finally, you know what, if you can't decide if you want the Mint sewing machine or the full-on Kaffe embroidery machine, the 770 with the embroidery, well, you can have it all. You can have it all, and you get it all, and that we have for a very special price, $11,499, and that is really a great value. So for those of you that have been looking for a promotion like buy the main big embroidery machine and get a small travel companion, this is the perfect option for you. All right, well, enough about this. For more tutorials using our Kaffe designs and our Kaffe machines, don't forget to check out our BERNINA of Naperville YouTube channel. Now, of course, we do other things too than just look at pretty machines with wonderful designs on them, right? But you can check that out at youtube.com/BERNINA of Naperville, and there you can like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.